everyone, welcome back. Anna here with the Coding Guild. Usually I am not the gossipy type, but today I have a secret to share with you. Please tell everybody. There is a CPT appendix that is already in effect, but not in your 2022 CPT book. Want to know what's in it? Let's see. The appendix in question is Appendix S, titled Artificial Intelligence Taxonomy for Medical Services and Procedures. It was approved by the CPT editorial panel back in September 2021, but explains why our books don't have it. The books were already in print when the decision to include this appendix in the code set was made. But what is this appendix all about? It categorizes medical AI based on the level of its involvement in the provider's services. We already have several CPT codes where AI or augmented artificial intelligence is participating in the service, but as time goes by, this group of codes will definitely broaden. I also wouldn't rule out that the definitions seen in this new appendix will eventually seep into code descriptors as well. The appendix starts with its guidelines, where the purpose of this table is stated. It provides guidance for classifying various artificial intelligence applications such as expert systems, machine learning, and algorithm-based services. It creates 3 categories for these technologies: assistive, augmentative, and autonomous. And CPT does so because the term AI as an all-encompassing category cannot be defined in the code set due to the nature of this technology. It keeps evolving, it is used differently in different sectors. There is no one good definition or application of the term artificial intelligence. Finally, the guidelines explain that the classification of services depends on the clinical procedure or service and the work performed by the machine on behalf of the physician or other qualified healthcare professional. If any of this sounds familiar, it is because we have already discussed artificial intelligence and its involvement in digital medicine services. For further details, please see the previous video on Appendix R, also new for 2022, link in the description below. As of today, medical AI helps in 3 major ways. It is assistive, where it detects clinically meaningful data, but still needs the physician or other qualified healthcare professional to validate and analyze the findings. It can also be augmentative, where it doesn't just find suspicious elements, but also analyzes and or quantifies them for the provider for further review. And finally, the last level is where the machine can do everything: identify issues, analyze, quantify, review, and interpret them. This most advanced category is further defined within Appendix S and has 3 levels based on how autonomous the AI really is. In all 3 levels, the machine draws its own conclusions. The difference lies in whether the diagnosis and management offered by the machine needs physician approval or not. In Level 1, the offered diagnosis and management options need explicit physician involvement to be implemented. In Level 2, the diagnosis and management takes effect without express approval, but the physician can override it. And in Level 3, physicians are not involved in management initiation. They have to outright contest the machine's decisions to stop them. Or to put it differently, Dr. Skynet will see you in a couple of minutes. The appendix ends with a helpful table where the differences between the categories are further broken down for us. I highly recommend it for review, especially because there are also examples from the current code set for every category. Link also in the description. And that's it. That's the secret appendix for 2022. Don't forget to share it with all your colleagues or fellow students. Thank you for being here with me today. I will see you soon in our next video.